Have you ever wondered how plants can grow without soil? Welcome to the world of hydroponics, a method that allows plants to thrive using mineral nutrient solutions in water. This technique opens up new possibilities, accelerating growth and yield, even in soil-scarce spaces. Now you might be wondering, how do I set up a hydroponic system? Let's dive right in. Setting up a hydroponic system might seem complex, but it's actually quite straightforward. Let's walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll need to find the perfect spot. Look for a location that's warm, has plenty of light, and is free from pests. Remember, your plants will need at least 6 hours of light each day. Now let's talk about the hydroponic system. There are several types to choose from, including wick systems, drip systems, and aeroponic systems. Each has its own advantages, so pick the one that best suits your needs and space. Once you've got your system and location, it's time to prep your water and nutrient solution. This is what your plants will feed on, so it's crucial to get it right. The water should be clean and free from bacteria, while the nutrient solution needs to contain all the essential elements your plants require. Next, plant your seeds or seedlings. Make sure they're firmly secured in their growing medium, but be careful not to damage them. Lastly, maintenance is key. Regularly check your system for any issues and adjust the nutrient solution as needed. And there you have it, a fully functioning hydroponic system ready to give you maximum yield. So, to recap, we've discussed the concept of hydroponics and how to set up a hydroponic system. We delved into the soilless wonder of gardening, highlighting its benefits such as maximum yield and space efficiency. We also walked through the steps involved in setting up your own hydroponic system, from choosing the right equipment to balancing nutrient solutions. Remember, with hydroponics, you can maximize your yield and grow plants even without soil. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.